Hey there friends! Welcome back! Ayan, biyahe po muna tayo. And you know what? This is my first time traveling outside Quebec province. And I'm so thrilled because we're off to Ottawa. Yes, we're off to Ottawa for the Tulips Festival. Yay! I'm so excited. And you know what? The Ottawa City is the capital of Canada. Yes, just in case you didn't know. And Toronto City is the capital of Ontario Province. Ayan, andito na po kami after almost 3 hours na biyahe. Ayan, as you can see at the right side, meron po dong floating restaurant. Yan po ang tinatawag na Rideau Canal. Yes, Rideau Canal. Pwede po kayong mag-boating dyan, mag-tour, pag summer. Then pag winter na naman, ginagawa din po nila yung ice skating. Yes, Rideau Canal. So ayan, paikot-ikot na muna po kami kasi naghahanap kami ng parking lot or parking area na malapit dito sa Tulips Garden. Yes. Kasi naman, mas maganda pag malapit. Pero ayan, paikot-ikot lang po tayo. Nakadalawang ikot na po kami. Hindi pa kami nakababa. Yes. Ayun, kung makikita nyo, ang daming tulips doon. I'm so excited. Ayun. Halos lahat ng bahay may ganong bulaklak. Amazing. Ayan, ang dami ng tao. Yes. Time check pala. Insaktong 9:01 and finally nakababa na po kami and super excited na ang lahat. Ayan, ang daming baon. So may dala po kaming baon kasi magpipiknik po kami dito. Did you know that Tulips Festival is one of the festivals here in Canada na libre? Wala pong bayad. Yes, walang bayad. Then nag-start po yung festival last May 10 hanggang May 20. And here we are now. It's May 12. Ang aga namin kasi sobrang excited ang lahat. Ang advantage kasi pag maaga kang pumunta dito is maganda pa yung flowers. Hindi pa siya masyadong bumubukadkad or hindi pa siya nalalanta. Pag dun ka naman sa dulo na ng festival, kunyari sa 20, medyo medyo naka-open na yung mga tulips, yung ganon. Ngayon, kung makikita ninyo, ang ganda pa ng bulaklak, hindi pa siya masyadong naka-open. Yes, perfect. You know what guys, according to them, the tulip symbolizes perfect and deep love. Yay, wow, ang ganda naman. Then, bonus, edible din ang bulbs nito. Edible. So, nakakain po siya. Pwede daw siyang pang-replace sa onion and pwede daw panghalo sa wine. Wow, sarap naman. Ganda na ang garden mo. Busog ka pa. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching.